Hey guys, so sorry that I've been kind of MIA. I'm just dealing with a lot of stuff behind the scenes at the minute. We're currently in the process of kind of trying to move, so there's a lot of things kind of in the air. But anywho, as you might see in the title, I'm doing my birthday makeup. So it's my birthday, technically today when I'm voice recording this. Um, And just doing some birthday makeup really. I just thought it would be a nice little addition to the channel. So yeah, going in with my Be Perfect clientele palette. I really do like this palette, to be honest. It's a nice, easy palette that you kind of, it's like a staple in the collection, basically what I'm getting at. So yeah, I really like to use it, and I basically just wanted to look like really glam. I didn't want anything too crazy. I just wanted to look really glam and just really like put together. Not saying you need makeup to feel put together, but that's just the vibe I was kind of trying to get that day. So yeah, anyway, just kind of creating this kind of V shape with the makeup, as you can see, and just kind of blending those out, kind of going from the darkest shades, and then I'll work my way up to the lightest shades. It's a really easy makeup look, to be honest. Like it didn't take me too long to kind of do. I kind of used the tape there, the sellotape, as kind of like a guide, so I didn't have to worry too much about how far down I was blending. I don't know. I've been liking using tape lately. It's just one step easier. You know what I mean? It just helps as long as you kind of get it evenly around your face. Like it helps out. Anywho, yeah. So anyway, yeah, today's my birthday, and I'm 24. 24, what an age to be, eh? My dad was reminiscing about the good old days where he used to change my nappy. That was that was the days, wasn't it? Um, anyway, yeah, I've been to see my dad. He gave me a birthday cheesecake. If anyone knows me, they know I'm not a fan of cake. I just not a fan of cake, but cheesecake's where it's at for me, right? So he got me a Rolo cheesecake, and oh my god, just having a slice of it literally made me feel sick of how good it was. Like it wasn't one of those cheesecakes where you could go, 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 you know. It was like so thick and so chocolatey and caramelly, and it was just good, you know. It was a cheesecake, I'm not gonna lie. Um, but yeah, that was one thing I really enjoyed. What else? Oh, I got Little Mix tickets. Little Mix. I've never been to a concert before, and I said if I was to go to a concert, the concert that I'd want to go to is definitely Little Mix. So my boyfriend, Greg, he very nicely was just like, "Let's go, let's just go. When are they performing next?" And obviously, I keep tabs of when they're performing. So we're going next May to go see Little Mix, and I am so pumped, so ready. I just can't wait for next year to just roll on, basically. So happy. And like it's all the way in May, so I know it's a while, you know, nearly a year, but I'm so ready for it. I'm ready for it. Can't wait. And by then they'd have their baby, so you know, that's one thing I suppose. Um, but yeah, that was one thing I'm definitely pumped about. Bought myself some makeup, so I might be doing a haul soon. Um, yeah, my boyfriend kind of just gave me some money and was just like, treat yourself to some makeup. I know you've been wanting to treat yourself, so here you go. And so yeah, I went on ColourPop. They've got like a sale on, so I just went crazy on there. I was like, right, what can I get? So I've never used any ColourPop, and I have been saying for a while I've wanted to try ColourPop makeup. So yeah, I just kind of went on there and just kind of had a wander and seen what I like. So yeah, a haul definitely coming up soon, which will be good. So yeah, I mean, stay tuned for that. I'm not sure how long ColourPop takes to deliver. I'm assuming probably a while because it's like an American based website, but I don't have to worry about taxes or anything because I've already paid that, which I guess is helpful because I remember when I ordered from Kylie Cosmetics, um, the thing about them is like, you know, you ordered the stuff, whatever, and then they say like, oh, you got 30 quid to pay for taxes, but it's like they'd hold it hostage in the post office, basically. So you didn't ever know how much the postage was going to be. Whereas on ColourPop, they kind of add it up all for you anyway. Um, so that's kind of handy, I guess. I mean, it's been a while since I've ordered from a different country, so I've not really been keeping tabs of what everyone does. Um, you know. Um, yeah, it's just kind of going back to doing my makeup, I guess. It's uh, yeah, when I say glam, I usually think like glitter's involved, like some sort of shimmery topper that's got to be involved. So here's me just, you know, putting my finger on all these lovely shimmers and just popping them on my eye because, you know, why not? Um, anyway, is there anything else we've done? Oh, we watched a movie. We had a movie night last night. So today's my birthday. Last night we had a movie night, and we watched that Freaky. You guys heard of that? Properly weird. I thought it was going to be like a comedy, like ha ha ha, yeah, someone's going around, you know, doing stuff to people, and yeah. No, it wasn't. It wasn't much of a comedy. It was quite gruesome, actually. I mean, maybe too in detail, too gruesome for me. Um, like I've watched all the Saws and stuff, you know, I'm fine with that. I don't feel like that's too gruesome. But yeah, this one was a little bit too much. So I kind of had to look away sometimes and be like, ooh, what's that? Um, but yeah, we do enjoy a horror. But I thought it was going to be like a comedy horror. You know what I mean? When they, you know, like scary movie and stuff like that. When they take the mick out of movies, I thought it was going to be kind of like that, like cheesy, kind of easy watch kind of thing. But it wasn't. I mean, still good. I mean, I don't think I'd go out my way to watch it again, but it's still good. Oh, there's my Gregory. He probably doesn't know I'm going to keep that in, but he kept coming over and like bothering me when I was doing my makeup, so I kept him in. He doesn't watch my videos anyway. I don't think. Don't think he does. He subscribed to me, but he doesn't watch my videos. Why would he? I mean, he's not really interested in makeup. Um, anyway, just finishing off in the makeup pretty much. I do the face makeup. I leave that in. Just because I've really wanted to use just my favourite skin products, my base products. So I've been really liking like the Fenty Beauty primer and the foundation that I use. Literally the best foundation I think I've ever tried in my whole entire life. I'm not. I mean, is that being a bit dramatic? I think that's being a bit dramatic. But see, Kevyn Aucoin, I think it's like the Etherealist. I can't say it. I think I will know how it says it, how I'm supposed to say it in my head, but when it comes to actually verbalizing what it says, I can't pronounce it. But it's a little bit on the pricier side because it's Kevyn Aucoin. But if you like a lighter coverage and you like something that makes you look really natural and dewy and just like a really like looks like your skin but better, that is the foundation, and I really like it. Oh, I've recently started using this cream contour stick from Cash Beauty. Haven't tried anything else from there, from her brand, but yeah, I've tried this and I've really liked it actually. It's nice and glowy. It's not like, I don't know. It's like it's not too matte. It's not too dark. It's like the right kind of undertone for me. So yeah, I mean, I just really like it. I mean, as you can see, I'm putting like a lot on, but you know, I mean, I was going for a full coverage kind of day when it came to like the bronzer and the blush and the concealer. So there you go. Yeah, I really liked that bronzer actually. It was really nice to wear, and I'm just putting my concealer on. It's a Jouer concealer. It's just a nice concealer. I mean, I buy this one quite often when it runs out, just because it's a nice go-to concealer, and I know it looks good on me. I don't mean like that, but you know, it wears well. That's what I meant. So yeah, just kind of applying that. And then I have been trying out the Made by Mitchell. I wanted to say Mama Mitchell. Made by Mitchell blushes. So it's like a blush, I think it's called blush. Um, and I really like. I've only tried once, but I really like it. I really like the undertone and the colour to it. I thought it was going to be a little bit dark when I got it in the package, but It's not that dark. Once you blend it out, it definitely doesn't look as dark as, you paint it on your face. But I started off going, I start off doing a little bit and then I just add more if I feel like I need more. And yeah, I really like the formula. I think I've tried, I haven't tried like a lot of cream blushes, but I've tried like some and I've not liked them. Because I don't know, I think it's more like the formula, the packaging. Like, if they're done in a stick, I feel like I don't like the stick ones because I feel like they swipe off my foundation in a way, and it just kind of, just not for me. But this formula, like how it's in like the concealer tube, I really like that, and I think that works really well. So I rate that. And then just going in my powders next, you know how it is. So yeah, I've had a really nice kind of chill day. My mum's at work today, so I haven't got the chance to see her, but we're gonna have dinner on Wednesday. I have literally just had dinner with my boyfriend, and we are literally like full up. Like, I literally feel like Jabba the Hutt right now. Like, I can't move. I'm in like I'm in a constant food coma. Like, I literally can't move. So I'm going out to dinner on Wednesday as well. So, oh, someone save me. I'm just literally gonna order like a salad or something next time. Like, today I did go a little bit like, oh yeah, we'll have the burger and the cheesecake. I couldn't eat all the burger. It was massive. I only ate half of it, and it was a grilled chicken burger. Okay, so I wasn't like being like, unhealthy. Like, oh my God, it's still a burger, but like, I wasn't trying to be like super unhealthy. I still wanted a little bit. And I like chicken burgers anyway, but I couldn't eat it all. It was too much. So yeah, a lot of eating's been done so far. But birthday. If you can't overeat on your birthday, when can you overeat? I think like you can definitely overeat on your birthday. You could definitely overeat on Christmas. And if you feel like you're up to it, overeat on Easter. All those Easter eggs out on the shelves, they're just too much. They're just like calling your name. I definitely get that sometimes. So, it's okay to overeat sometimes, as long as you don't make yourself like poorly doing it, I guess. Like, I've definitely come home after wearing jeans and literally just undone my jeans and just be like, I need to be freed, literally. But yeah, it was still really nice. I really did enjoy the cheesecake, but I just kind of was trying not to die whilst eating it. Anyway, yeah, I think I've nearly finished this makeup tutorial. Not long now, just kind of finishing off the eyes, and then I'll move on to the lips, I think. And then I'm pretty much done. But yeah, this is kind of like a go-to kind of style for me, I guess. Like a really smoked out, dark outer part of the eye, and then a nice shimmery glitter on the inner part of the eye. I mean, everyone's got their go-to, right? And this was just what I wanted to do for my birthday makeup, so there you go. What can you do? I can assure you, next time that I do a video, it will be with the Made by Mitchell palette. I can't remember which one I've got, but I've got like the more like bluey yellow toned ones, not the greeny browny toned one. So yeah, be prepared to have a little tutorial on that. I've literally not touched it. I've had it for like a couple of weeks and I've not touched it because I haven't been filming for the last couple of weeks, and I'm really sorry about that, but it's just been a bit of a hectic time at the minute, moving and getting paperwork sorted, and but once it's all done, I'll let you guys know. I mean, if you care. If you don't care, then I'm really sorry that I'm bothering you with all this news. But yeah, I mean, if you're involved, if you care, then I'll let you guys know. But yeah, until the next video, which will be soon, I do promise. I've got some time to sit down and just play with makeup, so be prepared for the Made by Mitchell palette tutorial, okay? I promise. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Feel free and give it a thumbs up, and leave a comment down below what you thought of it, and please subscribe. So I'll see you guys in the next one, hopefully. Bye!